Happy Monday, third graders. Miss Little here. I just wanted to introduce a new resource that we're going to be using this week called Readworks. In your Monday ELA folder, you will see an assignment called Readworks, John Wesley Powell Maps the Grand Canyon. This assignment will have the step-by-step directions of how you're going to access the story. You're going to go to the Readworks website, which if you click, it will take you to. You're going to enter the class code that your teacher provides you with. You're going to select your name and then enter the password that your teacher has set for you. Then you'll choose the assignment and complete it. I'm going to show you how to do that now. So I'm going to click on Readworks. And it brings me to the student login screen. I'm going to type in the class code that will be provided and click Continue. And here it has the list of students. I'm going to click on my name and I'm going to enter the password that I have set for my class. Now I can see my assignment that was on the Schoology page. I'm going to click on that assignment and it's going to open up the passage for me. So I want to show you a few of the tools that you can use when you're on this page. It does have an audio version, so it can read it to you. If you look up here in the toolbar, you'll see the little t and the big T. This is going to change the font size for you. So if you're having trouble reading on the screen, you can make it bigger or make it smaller. Your preference, it has 3 different settings. The icon next to it will number the paragraphs for you. This will be great for your written or typed responses if you want to cite a paragraph. The next tool is going to be a tracker. It's going to gray out the text that you're not reading at the moment, and you can slide the bar down to show what you're reading at a time. And then the last tool is going to be really useful when it's time to answer the questions. So after you have read the story or listened to it, or both, you're going to click on the icon that looks like a book, and it's going to put the questions on the right side and the story on the left. And this is going to be really useful so that as you are answering the questions, you can just scroll over and look at the story and you don't have to go back and forth between the 2 tabs. So you're going to answer the questions. Most of them will be multiple choice. There might be 1 or 2 typed answers or written response answers. And then you're going to hit submit when you are all done. So again, if you want to just look at the story, you would unselect the book icon. And then the questions would be listed on the questions tab. So I recommend reading the passage through once, then selecting the book icon so that they are side to side, and then you click submit when you are finished. Now, a shortcut for the future, if you want to get back to this assignment or if you have another one, you can access the student login screen from Clever. So you can scroll down and look for Readworks, or you can start typing it in the search bar. When you click on it, it will automatically take you to that student login page. But since it's our first day, you're going to want to enter from that Readworks assignment on your Schoology page, making sure that you have the class code available and your password that your teacher has provided. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and we will be happy to help you. Happy reading!